to JoJo's Slack Shack. Today I'm going to do a Coach unboxing. How pretty is the Coach packaging? I love it. But anyway, let's get to it. So I got this during Black Friday sale. I've been wanting this bag for a while and I finally got it. I've heard so many good reviews about this bag, been watching it here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So now I've got it. So let's have a look. There, guys. Right. Ta-da! It stuffed it up. So guys, please ignore the snoring. That was one of my dolls. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's get to unboxing. All right. It is the Cassie in black. So I'm really glad that I got this in black because this is going to be my new work bag as well. So this reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton pochette motifs. Same style. Get the top handle, the strap. So here it is. And sorry about before, about the snoring. That was actually my bobblehead doll, which is this one here.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
So if you don't talk to it, it will start snoring.
On your champ. Tools down.
So yes, here it is here. So this is Scotty.
You touch my head one more time, see what happens.
Anyway, I hope that you enjoy my video. I'm also going to do some mod shots. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this,
did I tell you about the time
can you please shut up? If you like this type of video, please.
Down to 10, grab a bag of measure twice, cut once.
Oh my God! So I'm gonna put this bobblehead down because it won't shut up. So anyway, if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye for now.